Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 2 of the 10-day drawing challenge. Today we're going to explore gesture drawing. I used to do a lot of life drawing in Montreal. There was even one place I would go that had live music and drawing at the same time. So thanks to one of my comic followers, I discovered a wonderful website called Line of Action. On this site, you could pull up photos of models for figure drawing. There's animal drawing, faces, and hands and feet drawing. It's totally free, and all you really have to do is say you want to draw a figure. You just go to the website, click figure drawing. You can decide if you want it with clothing or if you want to draw nudes. So for this one, I'll choose the covered models. You can choose male or female red models or both. So I prefer to draw female bodies, and then of course adults. You can decide on the length of the class and at what length you want the poses to be. So anywhere from 30 seconds to 10 minutes. So sometimes I'll just hit 5 minutes. You can always backtrack if you don't have enough time to finish. And then you go get drawing, and right away they're going to show you a bunch of different poses, and you can just scroll through and decide what you would like to draw. When you buy kits of art pencils, they often come in ranges from the H's to the B's. So the H's are very hard and they end up being very light. These are better for architectural drawing. This isn't from the kit, but this is an HB that most students use at school. It's sort of a middle range. And then these are the pencils I draw with. So there's a B, a 5B, and an 8B. You'll see the difference. There's the B and the 5B, a little darker, a little softer, and the 8B, a little darker and even softer. I won't work too big because I want to stay within the camera, but the idea behind the gesture drawing, depending on how long your pose is, basically you'll just take your pencil and just like kind of scout out the shapes. You don't even have to do the outlines. Sometimes you can just do like more scribbles just to kind of map out the area, and you can always go in after and fix it up. But the idea is you just want to like follow the shapes. This is a wonderful exercise just to loosen up and not be too concerned about the results. So you can just like play around with it and have fun with this, and then you can start with some, fast poses and go into some longer poses. And you'll see on this site they have models of all different shapes and sizes, and they're just really fun to explore and to practice your drawing, especially if you can't get out to a life drawing class. So you just play around with it. Don't be concerned with this exercise that things are going to be perfect. Just like try to look at the shapes, kind of mapping out the areas. Definitely not thinking about whether it's accurate or not. And the fun thing is you can spend as long as on these as you want, and you can go in and do more detail as you want. You can even do some shading. It's fun when there's lots of hair. You can stylize it as you like. You can pull this up on your desktop if you want it bigger. If you have internet on your TV, you could pull it up even bigger. She has clothes, this one. Often I do the nude models. I just find it easier. You could even do a little bit of a shadow, kind of place her within her environment, and go back and do whatever details that you want. So have fun with it. I'm going to do a little slideshow at the end of some of my figure drawings, and I can't wait to see what you guys create. Thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more art videos and challenges. Details for the challenge are in the description below. Be sure to join my Facebook group, Heather Boyd Art. It's a private group by invitation only, so I'll pop in a link in the description below. And have fun with the challenges.